Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Mike in Florida on this RCI-2970N4. Mike got it ready to go for you, bud. Did our tune and alignment, set the low and high carrier levels for you, and got it rocking and rolling. I sent you a couple videos before showing how anything over 50 watts carrier, it was back swinging. We've taken care of all that. Let's get right to it. Our power all the way down, 250 slug and average on the left, 500 peak on the right. Now this thing will roll all the way down to right around 20 watts. And it'll roll up to 120. Now let me show you average power swing. Hello. About 230 average bird. Now that's several 100% more than what you had considering you swinging backwards. And your peak power. Hello, about 460. Alright, Mike, I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.